So good afternoon. Doing a little bit of a hike here. Those just joining the channel, my name is Wolf, and I'm a frequent traveler. And today I'm staying over at the Sugarloaf campground up in Twin Mountain, New Hampshire area, Carroll, New Hampshire. And I'm doing a hike up Zealand Road, which, not surprisingly, follows along Zealand River. And I don't know how far I'm going to go up. I'm hoping to go all the way up to the trailhead for the Zealand hut, but we'll see. I got a late start today, unfortunately. Got caught on the phone for an hour with a work call that I wasn't expecting, just as I was getting ready to leave for this hike. So, a little bit of a late start. But anyway, yeah, just doing some exploring. I've done this walk once before, back in 2019. And yes, you can go back and watch my YouTube video on that. It's one of my earliest, no, couldn't have been 2019, I wasn't doing a YouTube channel then. Okay, hike must have been around 2020, 2021, somewhere around there then. Ah, a lot of bugs here. A lot of bugs. And I'm covered with DEET and they're still pestering me. Anyway, yeah, it had to have been around 2020 or 2021 that I did that hike. Not a lot of people watch that video because it's one of my earliest videos. You can go back and watch it if you want. I'll put the link to it in the description. But I'm doing it again. May have been some interesting stuff I might have missed the last time through, so let's find out what's out there. There, I made it all the way to the Zealand hut, Zealand trailhead. Another 2.8 miles to the hut. Not doing that today. That was a decent walk though. I still have to. I went 3¼ miles to get here. That's why I'm not going to do the additional 2.8 miles. I still have to get back to my campsite. Nice little parking area. Day use fee charged, $5 a day. There's no restrictions saying you can't park overnight. Cross-country ski trail over here. Okay, that's Spruce Goose ski trail. Not going to do that either. But yeah, there's nothing saying you can't stay overnight. In fact, I think there's one van up there that's somebody staying in. $5 a night to camp up here. I may try that sometime. I doubt there's any cell phone service up here. Let me see. Nah, no cell phone service. But I still might try it sometime. Who knows? To explore this area here. Maybe hike out to the hut and then back and spend the night in the van before going home, or drive up here, spend the night before doing the hike. Yeah, it could be done. It definitely could be done. We'll see. Right now we're going to start working my way back. Check out some of these little side trails and stuff. A few little things to explore. But not a very aggressive hike or anything today. Bethlehem water supply. Of course I have to come down here. A little side trail off the other trail. And I remember there being a man-made dam with a little waterfall on it. So we're going to go check that out. There it is. No trespassing, so I can't go in the water. Don't go touching it, but I can come take a look at it anyway. So it looks like they've done some upgrades to it since the last time I was here. I don't know, this is 2019, so it had to have been like this. Huh. Right down there, there's a bunch of butterflies resting on the edge of it. Huh. Looks like some newer concrete up there. Can't be much of a water supply though. Nice little area though. I remember discovering it the last time I was here. A few years back. An old abandoned building. Not sure what this was used for, but obviously it's not being used for it now. Nice long pole, isn't it? There's a hose. A few other odds and ends. Some old pipes coming out of it here. Or something. No idea. Not going in either. Not gonna find out. Trying to work my way back. Luckily the return trip is a lot of downhill to it. So it should go a lot easier than the coming up here trip. Oh, it'd be a lot better though if I didn't have a blister on the back of my foot. That's not helping things any. Alright, let's return. Oh, almost back to the campsite. That was a fun, fun hike. It wasn't too exciting to see anything up there, but it was a fun hike. It's the bridge, and after the bridge is back on pavement, and we get down to the trail that goes back to the campsite after that. Oh, this is always such a nice area. Beautiful view here. Somewhere, here it is. Here you get a survey marker. Like 1,964 feet right here. So yeah, we got some altitude at this campground. Down there too. Alright. Back on the paved area for a brief amount of time, but then we're going to turn off and take the trail back to the campground. Back to the campground again. I'm gonna go find out if the camp host has any firewood left. I'm gonna go back and buy myself a couple bundles so I can have a nice warm fire tonight. I only have about half a bundle left right now. So, go find out about that. And then it's time to make some sloppy joes. Yep, they have some firewood here. $8 a bundle on and on a system. So I'll drop off all my stuff and then I'll come back and buy a couple bundles of that. So we'll have enough firewood for tonight. Oh, I'm tired. I just hiked 7 miles. Doing that whole thing, including the trip back to buy the firewood. I didn't shut my watch off until after that. So 2 hours, 21 minutes of hiking 7 miles. Oh, that was a good hike though. Burnt some calories today. Now I gotta put them back in by making myself some sloppy joes. So if I rest for a few minutes, we'll get that started. But it was fun. It's good to do that hike again. It's been a while since I've done that one. And I got enough firewood too, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get that fire going, because it's getting chilly. It won't be long before I'm putting the sweatshirt on. And yeah, it's going to be a good dinner tonight. Sit up by the fire pit, watch some YouTube, and just relax. Oh. So I go to open up the bundle of firewood to start putting things together, the one I just bought. And the stupid thing's filled with ants. There's an ant colony living in it. I end up tossing it up in the air to disperse them out, so now I'm just waiting for them to all evacuate the area here. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Look at them all. They're just everywhere. Well, they gotta go find themselves a new home. I put the whole bundle on the fire pit. I'm not gonna mess around. Get rid of it as quick as possible here. Oh god, and they're still all walking around the side of the fire pit and everything here. Yeah, not happy. Not really one who likes killing things, but that I did not expect. Once I disturbed the nest, it was already too late anyway. Alright, we're gonna move this other bundle over to the other side of the campsite, as far away from everything as I can. We're gonna open it up at the edge of the woods just to make sure there's nothing living in that one too. This one's got a spider living in it. At least it's not an ant colony. Unbelievable. Good. Finished sloppy joes, and yes, I need a fork and a knife to eat them, and a big pile of paper towels. To go with this one, I got some old Soka root beer. I picked up a 6-pack of it at Hannaford's up in Maine when I was heading up to Greenville for the total solar eclipse, so I decided to bring one with me. Sounds like I'm going up to Acadia National Park with my brother in September sometime. So, I'll be able to get another case then, for sure. So I've got till then to enjoy this case. I'll probably come back home with a couple cases of it. Anyway, let's see how this came out. Yeah, definitely need the utensils. These are messy. Oh yeah. Perfect. It's actually too warm. I gotta move back some here. There's actually too much heat from that fire. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed the adventure today. 7 miles of hiking. Lots of interesting scenery. And a good dinner at the end. So, thanks for coming along. Remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. I'll talk to you guys later.